Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to this channel. My name is Fenifara. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So my sister-in-law Sonia requested for me to do this video, so I'm doing it for her. I am going to be laying my edges in a very simple way. So for this, of course, you need a mirror and your gel. I'm using the Eco Styler gel, a toothbrush, and a toothpick. I saw this hack on TikTok some time back and I was like, wow, this is really it. Oh, my gel is almost over, but this will do. It's only edges. So you take some gel and then you just spread it on your edges. So now as you're spreading it, you kind of push it forward a little bit. Make sure you put a generous amount. Don't be stingy, but not too much as well. I had already done my makeup, so, but don't worry about that. I'm showing you about how to do the edges. Don't focus on other things. Focus on the edges. So as you've spread it like this, you can see so now you take your toothpick and then you just do like this. Can you see? It is as simple as that. This, I think, is the simplest way to do it. You take your toothpick like that, like that, like that. You see? There. And now you can tie your hair so that the gel can... See, I had makeup. I'll have to do some bit of wiping. But this is the most simplest way to do your makeup, to do your edges, I mean. Is that rocket science? I don't think so. Let me know what you think about this method in the comment section down below. I think it's pretty simple. So let me just go and wipe this off and then I take photos for y'all. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, I have so many hair videos. You can scroll down through the channel and watch how to do different hairstyles for your hair, natural hair. And I also have vlogs as well. You can go and check them out. Please, 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 please. I support a sister over here. Subscribe to this channel. So yeah, let me go and wipe this off and then I'll take photo. I'll come back and show you the end results. But I think this is pretty simple. Let me just come up close so that you can see. This is makeup. Don't worry about that. I'm going to... It is normally... You can do your edges before you do your makeup. That way it's easier. But I had already done my makeup. Then I thought, oh, let me show people how to do edges because my sister-in-law requested for this video. But you can see. Let me know what you think of it in the comment. I think this is the most simple method to do your edges. Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me just tie this. Normally you tie your hair when you have a wig. But I'm going to tie it anyway. I'm late for work. But you get the drill. You get what I was saying. That is the simplest way to do your edges. If you can't, if your hand is not as swift in doing it, you can use that method. So let me know what you think of it in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I'll see you on the next one. And subscribe, please. Subscribe. Goodbye. Mwah.